Good evening. Today I will introduce you to the Pacific region. My name is Lina Marcela Lopez, Communicative Tax 1. Location. The Pacific region is located in the western frontier of the country, bordering the north with Panama, the south with Ecuador, and the west with the Pacific Ocean. Its main cities are Buenaventura, Tumaco, and Quibdó. Its climate is tropical with temperatures higher than 24 degrees. Its main culture is Afro-Colombian. There are also Indo-American tribes. Tourist place. Malpelo Island. It is a volcanic formation that emerges from the depth of the warm waters of the Pacific. You can also find marine animals such as whale, shark, starfish, angelfish, hammerhead shark, among others. The Solano Bay is close the border with Panama and is well known for being the home of turtles, humpback whales, and bears. Water activities uh, like scuba diving, sport fish, or hiking are fantastic. Gorgona National Natural Park. It is the paradise of scientific research and biodiversity. This park has a fairly large tropical forest where animals such as sea lions, dolphins, porpoise, spare wildlife life. Activities such as diving, mangrove tour, water and light hiking, bird watching, visit to waterfalls, etc. These are some of the activities that can be done. I hope you like them. Goodbye.